hope you like this video. So we painted the truck. It's all painted, looking great. In the process of doing some color sanding and buffing. It's all sanded out with 15 and 2000 grit, as you can see here. All right, the whole front sanded. It needs to be buffed. I may do a black pinstripe that goes along here. We're gonna see. But what I wanna do in this video is show you where I get my decals. I buffed this door out so far. As you can see, it looks pretty damn good. Right, truck is probably 80% complete. It needs to be finished, buffed, decals added, cleaned up. Rims we're gonna be painting when it gets a little warmer. I'm gonna go white rims with a teal cap probably. And then we're gonna do the bed liner. It's still a little chilly out, so I'm not gonna go crazy, but it's almost done. It's gonna look fantastic when it's done. There is a Miata project. Anyway, I wanted to go on the computer with you and show you what website I use to basically get the DIY lettering for this truck. The hint's in the name. So what I decided to do with this was we're gonna put the domain name here, learnautobodyandpaint.com, and I ordered a bunch of cool letters for the truck. I think you're gonna like it. We tried replicating the DAIHATSU HIJET decal in the front. I couldn't find the same exact font, but we got close enough, and I'm not that anal. If you want to be that anal, if you are that anal, take more time, find the perfect font that you want to do, and get it done. But for me, I thought it was nice, so I ended up buying what I saw. So let's jump onto the computer now. I'm going to show you what website I use and how to kind of quickly design that. And then we already placed the order, so it'll be here soon. So once this thing is buffed out, we're going to add the decals, and that'll be another video. Hey guys, Tony here, and just want to show you what website I use to make my lettering for my vinyl graphics on cars. DoItYourselfLettering.com. I have no affiliation with them, but I use them a lot for a lot of my lettering. All right, so I'm just kind of modeling what I have here. If you see, I'm doing the DAIHATSU HIJET font, so I went through their fonts, and you can see that there's a big spacing, and this is what it looks like on the front. So that's what I'm modeling here. The cool thing is you could make your letter spacing, bigger by clicking this button here. Right, I don't want to go that much. It's actually good at around 110, around 115, right? You could do bold, unbold, and I had to make it extra bold by doing a border shadow and then making it thicker because the standard bold that applied to it wasn't bold enough for me. So I'm just going, I'm adding the show border here, and you can see how much thicker it gets, right? If we do maybe 250, you could see, boom, look how, all right, I don't want to go that much. 150 looked good. Special effect, that's fine. Okay, so we're going to order 3 of these, okay? Let's just double check the width, 8.83, add to cart. Go to shopping cart. Cool, so we got DAIHATSU and we got HIJET. Height is going to be 1.7, same, so it's about 16 plus 8 inches. Our whole panel is 27 inches in the front, so it's going to give us just enough spacing. I'm also going to order one more in the back that says special. Because that's what it actually said on the back part where I had to remove a sticker. So we are going to go to pick a font category, and we're going to get crazy with this one. Do something that looks cool. And you're going to see this on the car, so that's going to be good. Which special looks cool here? Fonts. No, we'll just run with this one. Okay, font settings, black. We want the letter coloring to be red. Okay, character spacing, that actually looks pretty good. No. Yeah, maybe we'll do that. Border shadow, we want to do a white. Silver would actually look good too. This is going to be going on the teal, but we'll go with a white. We'll go with a white. The white looks good. Purchase $5.20. Not bad. Okay, go to shopping cart. So we got these decals so far. Getting kind of excited. Now we have the upper door that I am basically going to create something on my door here. We got 29 inches to play with. So let's go create. I'm thinking of doing something like a trucking company. So I ended up changing a few things here. We did check out. I paid for everything. It's on the way. Once the truck is all buffed out and the outside looking good, we will install the decals, and I'll show you how to do that in another video. But we got the main DAIHATSU, 3 HIJETs, 2 of these, and I changed the trucking company to just LABAP Trucking Company, not Mini. Just too long. We got the special for the back, and then I also got one for LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com. Awesome, $102 for all of these decals. I thought it was pretty good pricing, I think, for custom decals like this, and the quality is really good. All right, so I hope you enjoy the video. Let me know what you think, and if you're a DIYer looking to customize your own cars and trucks or projects or whatever you're doing, click here to get a free 85-page auto body and paint manual. I think you're gonna like it. And I'm also gonna show you something super special about VIP. It's a special offer. Check it out. If it's for you, it's for you. If not, no big deal. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so when I post new videos, you'll see them. And also, let me know what you think of the video by commenting below. If you like the site or not. I've been using them for a few years now, heavily for the past couple of months. Talk to you soon. Bye.